What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time coming. I'm actually going to do my hair. I feel like every time I'm going out, I always have to, like, when I need my hair to be washed, because as you guys can see, it is oily. But I don't feel like washing my hair. I'll probably do it Sunday because it'll be the end of the week. But I'm actually going to I think it's a jazz concert. Yes, it's a jazz concert with my aunt this evening at 7. She said I think they're gonna have like food trucks and stuff like that, but we're probably gonna bring like our own little, like, you know, picnic basket. So I'm gonna do my hair. I have to go to CVS and get the COVID booster shot, unfortunately, because my job is requesting it, but I feel like nobody's even really talking about COVID anymore, so it's just kind of like, why do I have to go and get this? So the time is almost 4 o'clock. They have an opening at 5, so I'm gonna try to do my little makeup and then do my hair and then get dressed. Y'all, look at this. Believe it or not, dry shampoo, y'all, is like the way to go. I just started using dry shampoo and I feel like it really, really helps me with my hair when my hair gets all like greasy and oily and I have to wash, well, in between my washes. What's up, you guys? So, I just got into the car. I'm a little dark. Maybe brighten that maybe a little bit. I'm trying to drive and look at you guys at the same time. So, I was gonna wear a dress, but I didn't shave my legs, so that wasn't gonna work because I'm just like, damn, it's 6:30. The event starts at 7 o'clock. I have to drive to my aunt's house, and then on top of that, I still have to stop at Kroger, and I have to grab some ice. I think I told you guys I was making a charcuterie board. Again, that shit didn't work because I was just procrastinating and doing other shit. So I'm headed to her house right now, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit when I get there because it's still cute. So I have this bodysuit on. It's extra small. My homegirl, she actually gave it to me. Thanks, Mia. If I bend down too far, my tits will pop out. And then I have, I'm gonna put you guys on the trash can so that you guys could probably see what I'm wearing. And then I have these black long pants that I'm wearing.
Just my wig fall off. It is a hot girl summer, all right.
You know what people said on our last video?
What?
They said that they want to see you more on my videos.
Oh, really?
They enjoyed, yes, they said they enjoyed you.
Well, tell them I'm dressed up tonight.
Got the smoked sausage. Like good. I asked them, I said, what was like the best seller? They had some tofu sausage or something over there.
Wait a minute. Spell bomb.
Bomb as in what?
Oh, I know.
B-O-M-B?
You know how you get them brain farts?
Mm-hmm. How are you enjoying the music?
I love it.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on this bitch in a minute. So I'm headed to a late lunch, breakfast-ish. It's 1 o'clock right now. Meet up with my homegirl. Damn, I need fucking chapstick. But meet up with my homegirl. We are going to French Toast. Y'all, they have such a good breakfast, lunch. All their food is good on the menu, okay? And today I'm supposed to be going to the chiropractor. I'm so excited because, you guys, I've been having a messed up back for God knows how long. And I'm finally able to go and get that checked out. So I'm super excited. Hopefully I can film and take you guys along so that you guys can actually see what exactly the chiropractor does. So like I said, I'm headed to a late lunch right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. So what's up, you guys? Good morning. I'm looking busted and crusted. I didn't even wash my face this morning, nor did I brush my teeth because the toothpaste was downstairs, like in the basement, and I didn't feel like having to go downstairs and get it. So I'm about to run my little errands without my teeth being brushed, but whatever. Hopefully I don't run into anybody, and hopefully nobody talks to me. Y'all, I should have done this shit yesterday because I feel like I'm always running around last minute. Yeah, so I feel like I'm running around last minute. The sun is not even out, so I'm just like, damn, is it gonna really like rain on our parade today? I hope not. I'm just now leaving Aldi. I have to go across the street to Kroger to get some shrimp cocktail if they have it. And then I think that's probably about it. My homegirl's bringing the ice. I don't know what else she's bringing. I was about to call her, but my phone is about to die. I know it's like 10 in the morning. I should probably already have my phone charged, but I cannot find my charger. So, that being said, I was not able to charge my phone this morning, or last night. Nothing like some good room temperature water. But yeah, I'm gonna make a charcuterie board. I was actually looking up ways online on how I'm gonna pack it, but they said to pack all your items in separate bags and like containers, and then assemble the charcuterie board once you get to your destination. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I wish I had a cooler that I can like pull instead of like carry, because yeah, my back is messed up. So you guys, I just got back home. I'm about to wash everything that I got. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I got. I got some strawberries because who doesn't like strawberries? I got some cocktail shrimp. They're kind of like frozen right now, so hopefully by like 1 they'll be unfrozen. But I'm probably gonna end up maybe packaging them in something else. I don't know yet. I ended up getting some salami. I got some blackberries. I really been liking blackberries. And then I got like a couple different sizes of sandwich bags because like I said, I'm gonna assemble the charcuterie board there instead of actually making it here and try to like take it there. I was looking online and they were saying it's just easier to like assemble everything in plastic bags and then just bring your cutting board and then like assemble everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, I got some cheese. Y'all, this white cheddar cheese from Aldi is so good. What else did I get? Hold on one second. I got some cherry sangria. This is one of my favorite sangrias. They sell it at the store here in Ann Arbor, and it is called Cherry Republic. They have like jams, they have salsas, they got pretty much everything inside the store. So I'm bringing this, but I got this yesterday. But like I said, I'm gonna just wash some of the fruit that I do have, And yeah. Okay, y'all, so everything is semi-packed, but I'm trying to decide whether I want to carry this installation bag or do I want to carry the cooler. It's just me and my homegirl, and I feel like this might just be too big because I'm just thinking about, like, where are we gonna park? What if we have a long walk? I just feel like that is more like a big bag, like a purse, so you can just carry it versus this. And all the shit that I'm bringing, I feel like it's just gonna be too big, too bulky. And a lot of the stuff that I packed inside the bags or inside like my fruit and all that stuff, I packed in plastic bags so that way I could just throw everything away. And it could be easier for me to just throw everything away and I won't have like a lot of stuff I gotta hold on to. So I'm probably gonna go with this bag. So you guys, I'm here with Amber! And we were having what do you call this, a picnic?
Yeah, we're having a picnic. We're having a bad bitch picnic, y'all.
Yes, she brought all the drinks, okay? So we have a charcuterie board that we're trying to put together right here. Amber doesn't eat meat, so I try to be considerate of her. So yes, we have sushi, pickles, those are blueberry almonds.
Oh, cute.
And we have some shrimp cocktail. And she has some other things too, cookies and wine and